We're going to add the polynomials x to the fourth plus 2/3 x plus 5 and 4x to the fourth plus 5x squared plus 1/3 x. And when we do this addition, essentially what we're doing is just collecting like terms in the two polynomials that we're adding. So let's go ahead and do that. The highest power that I see on x is x to the fourth, and I have an x to the fourth term in each of these polynomials. So I can collect them by adding their coefficients. The coefficient of this is 1, and here we have 4. So I have 1 plus 4 times x to the fourth. Now I don't see any x cubed terms in either of these, but there is an x squared term here, and it's the only x squared term, so I'll just write 5x squared. What about x terms? There's an x term here and there's an x term here, so let's add those. We'll add the coefficients, 2/3 plus 1/3 x. And then I have a constant term here, but I don't have one over here, so I'll just write that constant term of 5. And now we'll just simplify. 1 plus 4 is 5, so we have 5x to the fourth plus 5x squared. 2/3 plus 1/3 is 3/3 or 1, so I have 1 times x, or just x. And finally I have plus 5. So this is the sum of the two polynomials that we started with.